Hello friends, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of application can be maintained. In this tutorial, we will learn about the Java exception, its type and difference between checked and unchecked exceptions. In Java, an exception is an event that disturbs the normal flow of the program. It is an object which is thrown at runtime. What is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, remote exception, etc. The core advantage of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of application. An exception normally disturbs the normal flow of the application. That is why we need to handle exception. Let's consider a scenario. Uh, Suppose there are 10 statements in a Java program and the exception occurs at the statement 5. The rest of the code will be not executed. That is the statement 6 to 10 will not be executed. However, when we perform exception handling, the rest of the statement will be executed. That is why we use exception handling in Java. Hierarchy of Java exception classes. The Java.lang.throwable class is the root class of Java exception. Hierarchy inherited by two subclasses, exception and error. The hierarchy of Java exception classes is types of Java exceptions. There are mainly two types of exceptions: checked and unchecked. An error is considered as the unchecked exception. However, according to the Oracle, there are three types of exceptions, namely checked exceptions, unchecked exception, and error. The difference between checked and unchecked exception. Checked exception, the class that directly inherit the throwable class except a runtime exception, and error are known as checked exception. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. Checked exceptions are checked at compile time. Unchecked exception, the class that inherits the runtime exception are known as unchecked exception. For example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception, etc. Unchecked exceptions are not checked at compile time, but they are checked at runtime. Error is irrecoverable. Some example of errors are out of memory error, virtual machine error, assertion error, etc. Java exception keywords. Java provides 5 keywords that are used to handle the exception. Try keyword. The try keyword used to specify a block where we should place an exception code. It means we can't use try block alone. The try block must be followed by either catch or finally. The catch block is used to handle the exception. It must be produced by try block, which means we can't use the catch block alone. It can be followed by finally later. Finally, the finally block is used to execute the necessary code of the program. It is executed whether an exception is handled or not. Throw. The throw keyword is used to throw an exception. Throws. The throws keyword is used to declare exception. It specifies that there may occur an exception in the method. It doesn't throw an exception. It doesn't throw an exception it always used with method signature. So this is all about the Java exception handling. Thank you.